Hi guys, welcome back to vllo. The weather has been getting a lot warmer, so I wanted to do our first crochet summer top. This is the tutorial on how to make this scalloped tank top. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you enjoy the video. Today we will be using this Sugar Bush Cabot yarn in the color Wheat. It is 70% Pima cotton and 30% linen and gauge 3 light. This is 266 meters and 100 grams. This project requires 2 hanks of yarn. We use a yarn winder to wind this into a nice ball. We're going to start off by grabbing from the inside of the ball and creating a slip knot. Next, we are going to do chain 13. Stick the hook into the 3rd stitch from the top. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, and then pull through both loops. Stick the hook into the next stitch and then repeat the exact same process. Finish this process until the end of the row. When we reach the beginning of the chain, this will be the peak. We are going to do 3 single crochets into the same hole. After that, continue with 1 single crochet per loop to the end of the row. Here I'm on the next row and have reached the peak again, so do 3 single crochet stitches into the same hole. And then continue with 1 single crochet per hole for the rest of the row. I have added a clip here to mark the peak. We will keep repeating the exact same process with single crocheting all the way down until we reach the peak. And then do 3 single crochets into 1 hole at the peak. We're going to keep repeating this process until we get a triangular shape. We will need to make 2 of these triangular shapes to make up the top half of our crochet top. These are the 2 triangle pieces that fit me. You can tailor the size of the triangles to your own body. Now it is time to start making the bottom piece of this top. I will start with a slip knot and then chain my desired length. This should fit from the side of your body all the way to the middle of your back. I need to attach the chain that I just created to the bottom of the triangles. With the chain still on the hook, single crochet the bottom of the triangle. Continue this process all the way down. Once we have finished the first triangle, connect this to the second triangle. We will still be using the single crochet stitch. After we finish the second triangle, we are going to continue by chaining the desired length you would like. Please match the other side. Here we are finished the first row of the body. Turn your work and continue by single crocheting the entire row. We are going to repeat this process until we achieve the desired length of our top. Here I have used clips to mark down the places I would like to decrease for later on. As you can see, we did the first half with single crochet and the second half with a double crochet stitch. For the bottom few rows, complete a regular double crochet stitch until we reach the stitch marker. When you reach 2 stitches before the stitch marker, it is time to start decreasing. We will decrease by double crocheting 2 stitches together. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, and draw up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and draw a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on the hook. Put the first stitch marker back on and take out the second. Repeat the exact same steps and double crochet 2 together. Once you are done double crochet 2 together, continue with the regular double crochet all the way down the line. Now it is time to crochet the scallops. Yarn over 2 times and insert the hook 2 stitches away. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on the hook and repeat this 3 times. Now we have completed 1 treble crochet. We are going to do this a total of 7 times into the same stitch. Once we have finished the 7 treble crochet, skip 1 and then do a slip stitch. This is how the first scallop should look. Skip 2 and complete the 7 treble crochet to make your second scallop. We created the scalloped edge along the bottom edge, as well as the top edge of the triangles. This is the top so far. It fits me perfectly, however, the V goes a little bit lower than I would like, so I'm just going to take a thread of the same color and sew that together. I'm going to start from the bottom and do it inside out. Now we are going to move on to the straps, so first tie a slip knot and then chain 2. Insert the hook into the previous stitch and draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We will repeat the stitch until you reach your desired length. Right now, I am just showing a demonstration, but this strap is supposed to be directly connected to the peak of the triangle and go around your shoulder and be able to lace it up at the back. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep making these videos. Bye!